Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing super great. Today in this video we will see the ternary operator. So how we can write ternary operators in Python. So the ternary operators allow you to assign one value if a condition is true. Okay, let's suppose if one condition is true, so I want to perform some task, right, on the basis of that, and another if it's false, right? See here, I've given num is equals to 6, which is a variable, and I'm writing x equals to weekend, means weekend comes when num is greater than 5. Okay, else workday means when number is greater than 5, weekend should be come, else workday will become. Okay, so this is the condition, kind of, you can say. So now we will practice on one compiler. So yeah, so here I'm declaring num is equals to 6, and I'm typing if like workday, sorry, weekend when num is greater than 5, else I want weekday, workday, right? I want what? See here, x is equals to this if x is equals to this if num is greater than 5. Okay, so I think I've written something wrong here. I have to assign something, like suppose x is equals to weekend if num is greater than 5, else workday. Okay, and I want to print value of x, else x is equals to this, correct? Now run. See here, it's showing weekend because here I am taking 6, num is equals to 6, which is greater than 5, that's why it's true, right? I'm writing, let's say 2. See, it's a workday, right? So this is a ternary operator where we can perform some condition on the basis of some work. Okay, let's suppose here I have given weekend. So why I'm writing weekend? I want to check that what is the value of num, right? On the basis of that the condition is working, right? And like for elif, the ternary operator can be used instead of elif is longer if statement, right? When if statement is more than one statement, then we use elif statement, right? I want Friday if num is 5, I want Saturday if num is 6, on the basis of this. So x is equals to Friday if num is 5, else Saturday if num is equal to 6, then Sunday if num equal to 7, right? So the task and the condition, right? It's working like this. This is all about ternary operator.